Hi everybody, my name is Taylor Green. I'm one of the audiologists here at Audiology Associates. As you can see, I'm riding solo today, guys. Reese is, he is here, he's just sat in the background. This patient's come in to me with a little bit of a blockage in the ear. Now you can see it's the consistency of this straight away. I could see this is dry skin. So it's a build-up of dry, dead skin that this patient's got here. So we're starting straight away with the Jobson horn. There was a little tiny gap that we could just get the Jobson horn through, which is why I've decided to go with the manual tool. Suction doesn't tend to be great with these really dry ones. We tend to lose the suction grip quite often. It's very difficult to wiggle and move these ones out. So we've got a good purchase on this piece of skin here now. So we're just starting to try and roll it forward. And that should detach the sides of these ear canals, because I think this plug is still attached somewhere. So we have to work very, very slowly with these again, because we don't want to risk causing any like blood blisters. So if we tend to remove this skin too fast, you tend to get a little bit of blood that can sometimes come to the surface. Now I do believe this actually happens in this particular patient. I'll show you in a second. So you can see that long strip of almost like a tail that's still attached to the ear canal. So what I'm trying to do here is still stick with the Jobson horn to see if I can just break it away. You can see how firmly attached this is still to the ear canal. So we're obviously not getting any luck here at all. I thought I was going to get a really good grip here to tear it away, but we've obviously not got any luck here. So this skin is actually in the sort of lateral portion, so it's actually more closer to the entrance of the ear canal. So I've decided to swap to the crocodile forceps here, and we're just very slowly gonna just give it a tiny wiggle and a pull. This should detach from that newer, fresher skin underneath, and you can see it's already starting to do that here. If we can get a little grip on it. They get quite tricky to get a little grip on these pieces unless there's little bits sticking out that you can quite easily grip onto. So we've managed to just remove that large piece. Is this still attached somewhere? Struggling to get a little grip on this piece now. So you could just, there we go, we've just managed to tear it away. Perfect. So there's little tiny bits left here now that we're gonna just try and tidy up. Now this is the point here, so you can see this longer part from the side is starting to detach as we're gently pulling on this piece of skin. Now take a little look at the ear canal, just underneath where this skin is starting to peel away. You should see this in a second. So very, very slowly there. You can see again it's starting to tear away, starting to peel. So this is the point here. So can you see it starting to appear there already? So that skin that I'm peeling off the ear canal, where we mentioned earlier about that blood kind of coming to the surface, that's what's happened here, unfortunately. It's nothing to worry about. This will just fix itself. It's almost like a bruise, which will just heal itself over a short period of time. But we always tell the patients to just keep an eye on the ear, make sure there's no discomfort or anything afterwards, but absolutely nothing to worry about. So we have popped some oil in just to help us to more, how do I put it, keep this more comfortable. I'm finding it difficult to get my words out today, guys, sorry. Gentle little wiggles. Don't forget, guys, if you do like this sort of video, this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We always love having new people on board. You can see where this only looked to start with like there was a little piece at the bottom of the ear canal. You can see this is all starting to detach around the whole ear canal. Very slowly, you can see it starting to loosen and come away from the ear canal here now. So I'm trying to hold on to that suction grip. I'm trying not to lose it. Because as we hold on to the skin, the pressure builds up with the suction, which can make it easier for us to gently pull this out, looking nice and healthy afterwards. I left that little bit near where that blood has come to the surface. I left that little bit there because that was actually starting to clarinet. So it was making starting to make like a horrible little whistling noise. So there we are, guys. We've got pretty much an inch bang on there, 2.5 centimeters. So thank you very much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget, as we mentioned already, give us a like, share the page, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.